Good morning, viewers. Today we have a special guest, Rose, a young mother from Spain, who will share her insights on parenting and discipline. Welcome, Rose.
Thank you for having me, Gina. It's a pleasure to be here.
Rose, as a mother, what are your thoughts on disciplining children?
I believe that discipline should come from a place of love and compassion. It's essential to understand that children are learning and growing, and our role as parents is to guide them with patience and understanding.
That's a beautiful perspective. How do you encourage your children to make good choices?
I try to focus on intrinsic motivation. I want my children to make choices because they find them interesting or enjoyable, not because of external rewards or pressures. It's about nurturing their natural curiosity and love for learning.
That reminds me of a quote about yoga philosophy, which emphasizes incorporating positive habits into daily life without a sense of control. How do you think this relates to parenting?
Absolutely. I believe that by creating a loving and supportive environment, children naturally develop positive habits and behaviors. It's not about forcing or controlling them, but rather guiding them with love and understanding.
You mentioned the importance of a loving relationship between a mother and child. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, when a child feels loved and cherished by their mother, they are more likely to respond positively to her guidance. If a mother asks her child to do something from a place of love and joy, the child will be more willing and happy to comply. On the other hand, if a mother uses harsh discipline or punishment, the child may feel pressured and resentful.
That's a powerful message, Rose. Thank you for sharing your insights with us today.
Thank you, Gina. I hope that our discussion can inspire other parents to approach discipline with love, compassion, and understanding.